Hey everyone, James here from American Drifter, and today we're talking outdoor clothing. Now if you're a guy like me, you could probably care less about the clothing that you wear on a daily basis. This shirt, for example, I paid $7 for it. The color just spoke to me. But if I'm going camping or backpacking, I'm very selective, not only with the clothing that I wear, but the clothing that I bring along with me. In just a moment, I'm going to take you inside and give you 2 reasons why you should consider these brands I'm about to show you. Let's check it out. Okay, let's get started with reason 1. If you've ever done a workout wearing a cotton shirt, I'm sure you've lived to regret it. Backpacking and hiking are strenuous activities, so it's important to wear clothing that's made for the activity that you're doing as well as for the environment that you'll be in. In my opinion, wearing clothing that's made for the conditions that you're in not only helps you feel better, but it also helps you perform better. The gray base layer shirt that I was just wearing is a Patagonia Capilene long sleeve shirt that's mostly composed of merino wool. I'll often pair that shirt with this Patagonia Nano Air jacket. This jacket is great because it does keep me warm, but it's also breathable. And I know many of you are surprised right now to see me wearing something that's colorful. Now the jacket that I'm wearing now is from LL Bean. I got this jacket for those shorter trips, campsites I might be driving up to or hiking a short distance to. Anything over a couple miles, I'm probably not bringing this jacket. It's very heavy duty. And if I'm hiking a long distance, 8 or 10 miles or more, I want something that's a lot lighter. LL Bean does have other offerings on their website. Be sure to check them out. The next brand I have for you today is one that I've grown to love over the years, and that is Outdoor Research, or OR for short. And my favorite piece of clothing from them are the Pharaoh C pants. I don't know if there's a chance of mispronouncing a word. I'm probably going to do it. But these are a great pair of pants. They come in a long pant version and also a short pant version. And they're made of this very thin, stretchy material, which makes them extremely comfortable to wear. In fact, it kind of feels like you're not wearing any pants at all, which is great when you're outdoors. So be sure to check them out, the Pharaoh C pants from Outdoor Research. The last item that I have for you today from Outdoor Research is the OR Helium 2 jacket. This is a great jacket if you're a backpacker and you have ounces in mind. This rain jacket comes in at just over 6 ounces, and I wear a men's medium, and this color is emerald. Be sure to check it out, the Outdoor Research Helium 2 jacket. One of the most important things you need to keep in mind when you're on the trail and you're hiking long distances is you need to make sure that you're taking care of your feet. And it's for that reason that I've decided to go with Darn Tough socks. These are a very durable sock. They're made of many materials, one of them being merino wool. So they are breathable and they'll also keep your feet warm. Be sure to check them out, Darn Tough socks. In case you missed the brands, they are Outdoor Research, Patagonia, LL Bean, and Darn Tough. Now I'm sure at this point you've been waiting for the second reason why I recommend buying clothing from outdoor brands. So here it is. All of the brands that I listed have a lifetime warranty. That means if anything happens with the clothing, even wear and tear, they will either repair it or give you credit to replace it. That's why I recommend buying clothing made for the outdoors. There you have it. Those are some of the items that I use when I go on a trip out of town, because I usually don't use them here in South Florida, as it's usually in the 90s like it is right now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.